Hey everyone, and welcome back. In the previous video, we have learned how to set up our service. Now, not much left to use this application. We just have to go inside the main activity and uncomment everything we commented. So first thing is to add this RTMP client listener here and make our main activity to implement these two. Just like that. Let's go top here again, uncomment this service repository, add the inject implementation, and here set this RTMP listener to our main activity. Let's scroll down here. This one should be able to start the service. This one should be stop service. This one should be able to switch the camera, and after rendering everything, we should be able to see the stream inside this HiShinkit preview. And on destroy, we should of course make this surface view null to prevent the memory leak. Now inside this stream started and stream stopped, we have two function inside our class, which name is stream stopped and stream start. You can see that all it does uses the UI thread to update the text and the status of the stream. So we should be able to start testing our project if everything goes well. Let's run it on our real phone device. Now let's go to our YouTube panel and copy our stream key here. Go inside our phone, press start. We should grant permissions to it. And it says that we are connected. Let's go back to our YouTube panel and you'll see that the connection is excellent and it's on now. You should be able to see the changes inside your YouTube panel. You should be able to see the changes inside your YouTube panel within few seconds of delay. Okay, that's how you can easily set up your streaming clients for YouTube using RTMP protocol. If you have any further question, you can ask it inside the comment section below, or you can mail me at CodeWithKael@gmail.com, or you can direct me inside Instagram or Telegram with same exact ID address, CodeWithKael. Or if you need consultancy, you can hire me for more difficult projects that you want to do. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share and like my videos. Thanks for your support. Till the next tutorial, see you everyone.